In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount code to Deliveroo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the voucher field, how to enter your code correctly, and what to check if it doesn't apply the first time. Start by opening the Deliveroo app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that your location and delivery address are set. Since some voucher codes only work in specific areas or for delivery rather than pickup, it also helps to have a stable internet connection so the code can be verified right away. Look to the top right of the screen for the basket icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Tap that. If your basket is empty, quickly add any item so you can access the basket page. You can change or remove items later. The goal here is simply to get to the checkout flow where voucher codes are applied. Once there is at least one item in your basket, tap View Basket to review your order. From the basket screen, continue by selecting Go to Checkout. This takes you to the page where you confirm your delivery details, payment method, and any order notes. On this screen, scroll down until you see the option that says Add Voucher Code. Depending on your app version and region, it may also say Add Promo Code or something similar, and it's usually located near the order total or payment section. Tap Add Voucher Code to open the text field. Carefully type your discount code exactly as provided. To avoid mistakes, consider copying and pasting it if you have it saved elsewhere. Watch out for accidental spaces before or after the code, and double-check letters and numbers that can look similar. Many codes have terms such as minimum spend, participating restaurants only, first-time customer status, or an expiry date, so be sure your order meets those conditions. After entering the code, tap Submit or Apply. Give it a moment to validate. If the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation on screen and your order total will update to reflect the discount. Often you'll notice a new line showing the voucher amount or percentage deducted. Remember that fees, tips, and some items may be excluded, so the final discount might not cover everything. If you get an error, verify the spelling, remove any extra spaces, and confirm the terms of the offer. You can also try another eligible restaurant or adjust your basket to meet the minimum spend. Once the discount is applied and everything looks correct, you're all set to proceed with checkout and place your order. Enjoy the savings and your meal.